A block of mass 1 kg is connected to another block of mass 4 kg by a light string. The system is pulled up a rough plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal by means of a constant force, 40 newtons, parallel to the plane as shown in the diagram below. Mawuyibheka le ndawo. Nansi into mhlawumbe engacishe idide abantu. Makuthiwa constant force, akushiwo ukuthi constant acceleration. I-acceleration la njalo akushiwo ukuthi constant velocity. I-acceleration ayikho constant, ayikho esiwu-zero, F net akasiwu-zero. Acceleration yoba u-zero if kuthiwa constant velocity. F net yoba u-zero if kuthiwa constant velocity. Ngiyakuphinda lokho. Iyodwa into ofanele siqale siyenze la ukwenza i-analysis, sithrowe ama-free body diagram walama-box womabili so that sizothola kahle yonke into esiyifunayo. But statement masiqhubeka sithi the magnitude of the kinetic frictional force between the surface and the 4 kg block is 10 newtons. The coefficient of kinetic friction between 1 kg block and the surface is 0.29. Now, into esesingayenza ukudraw ama-free body diagram. So, since i-object ime kanje, nawe free body diagram uyidrawa kanjalo. Ngazi ngathi udrawe i-surface ngama-dotted line kanje.
Huh?
Now we have an applied force. We have a tension force. We have frictional force. We have a normal force. We have gravitational force. This is an applied force, normal force, frictional force, then tension force. La 7 FG. Mawucheck laphaya ama-mark, that's your 5 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ama-mark wethu aphelele for 1 kg block. This is a free body diagram. A 4 kg block. Free body diagram of 4 kg block. We're having a normal force. We're having a tension force. We're having frictional force. We're having FG. Thank you. Okay. So let's say draw copy question paper ngoba bayibuzanga. But ezongisiza mina ucalculator noma ukhanda ama-formula. Ukhumbule khona futhi enye iforce ekhona la singayivezanga kwi-free body diagram. Ubheka le u-FG parallel nala futhi khona u-FG parallel wakhona. Nayo leyo force parallel to the surface. Fanele mase sibhala F net vele. So la okay, between 1 kg block sinikezwe i-coefficient of kinetic friction between 1 kg block ne-surface. Kusho ukuthi fanele siqale sithole i-frictional force for this 1 kg block. Ukhumbuleke la enye i-force ekhona u-Fg perpendicular. Fg perpendicular ulingana ne-normal force ngaso sonke isikhathi. So since ngoba sinikeza u-mu k siyayidinga i-normal force kabani ka-1 kg block. Singayithola kanjani? That normal force is equal to Fg perpendicular. Fg perpendicular ulingana nobani? No-mg cos of theta. La sikhuluma ngo-1 kg block 9,8 cos of theta. Sesizothola-ke i-normal force ukuthi ubani? 9,8 cos of 30 kuzoba u-8,49 newtons. 8,49 newtons. That is the normal force. Nase sifuna Fk for 1 kg block kuzoba mu k times the normal force. Mu k u-0,29, normal force u-8,49. Lokho kuzosinika 0,29 times 8,49 kuzoba u-2,46 newtons. So i-frictional force la sesiyayazi u-2,46 newtons. Frictional force ka-1 kg block. Eka 4 kg block frictional force besinikeziwe bethe u-10 newtons. Yes. Now sesibhala iformula-ke. Nakhona uma sesibhala iformula si-check-a lama forces which are parallel to the surface. Si-check-a lama forces which are parallel to the surface. Okay, ukhumbule ukuthi lama object ayanyuka futhi kuya phezulu ku-positive. Wonke lama force aya phansi azoba negative. F net is equal to MA. Force eya phezulu, applied force. Eya phansi, frictional force, minus Ft minus Fg parallel is equal to MA. F applied, sinikeziwe, okay, singaqala substitute. F applied minus frictional force minus Ft minus u-Fg parallel u-mg sin theta is equal to MA. Manje singo-substitute la sino-40. Frictional force siyitholile 2,46 minus Ft minus 1, sikhuluma 1 kg block times 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So lana is 140 minus 2,46. So shall 9,8 times sine of 30. 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 1 times acceleration is equal to 2,46 minus 2,46 times 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 1 times acceleration. So 9,8 times sine of 30 okusinikeza ukusondeza eduze nalezi namba. 4,9, then this is the minus ft is equal to A. So 40 minus 2,46 minus 4,9 kusinikeza u-32,64 minus minus ft is equal to A. So singasho sithi this is equation number 1. Sizingapha ku-4 kg block, F net is equal to MA. Nakhona sibuka lama forces are parallel to the surface. I-force eyaphezulu laphaya u-Ft i-positive, la ayaphansi negative. Ngakhohlwa khona no-Fg parallel, yena abantu abamkhohlwayo. Minus Fg parallel is equal to MA. So Ft minus F minus mg sine of theta is equal to MA. Ungakhohlwa u-Fg parallel wa-1 kg block awulingani noka 4 kg block ngoba mmesa wafana. Ft minus F minus mass u-4 times 9,8 times sine of 30 is equal to 4A. 4 times 9,8 times sine of 30. Okay. This is Ft. Khumbula u-F besimnikezile u-10. Lo masimshaya. 4 times 9,8 times sine of 30. Kusikhiphela u-minus 19,6 is equal to 4A. Okay, khona ama-like terms la. Negative 10 minus 19,6. Lokho kusikhiphela minus 29,6 is equal to 4A. So this is equation number 2. This is ngayenza kwa-add nama-equation. Equation 1 plus equation number 2. So about 32,64 minus Ft is equal to A plus Ft minus 29,6 is equal to 4A. So sizoba no 32,64 minus Ft. Ukungezansi sibhehliswe njengoba kunjalo kuzoba plus Ft minus 29,6 is equal to A plus 4A. So khona ukukhansela nayo Ft, cancel Ft. Sesizogcina 32,64 minus 29,6 kuzosikhiphela u-3,04 is equal to, ngapha siba no-5A divide by 5 on both sides. U-A uzolingana no 0,608 meters per square second. So i-acceleration yethu-ke leyo, acceleration yethu. Now i-question elandelayo bathi asiyitholeni Okay, la asibanga siqale question. The question ibishift as calculate kinetic frictional force between 1 kg block and the surface calculator. Eyesibili ithi asicalculate i-tension. Manje sesinayo-acceleration, sesingayithola i-tension. Sesingathatha eyodwa yama-equation, sisubstitute kuyo, ngoba acceleration sesinayo, sithola i-tension. Singathatha equation 2, ft minus 29,6 is equal to 4a. ft minus 29,6 is equal to 4 into 0,608. ft is equal to 4 times 0,608 zoba u-2,432 maselo simtranspose kuzoba u-29,6. Then ft hlanganisa le 2 kuzoba u-29 plus 6 kuzikhipha ku-32. 32,032 newtons. I-tension yethu leyo esinayo.